Hey guys, in this video I would like to show you how to create an account in Publer. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open up this application. First of all, you need to create your workspace, but you have probably done this if you're seeing this page. So firstly, you need to click on your workspace icon at the top left. Click on it. And here you will find all your accounts, the list of your accounts and members. Yeah. And to create an account, you need to click on add account right here. Now just select your social media, for example, YouTube, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, or another one. Let's click on YouTube. Now you need to select your Google account, click on continue, and check all these checkboxes, and then click on continue, but read it carefully. After that, you need to select your YouTube account on this Google account, but I haven't a YouTube account on this email, so I can't do it. And after that, you will find your account right on this page. And then you'll be able to create posts in this application, do something else, and so on. Hope my video was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.